Looking for natural, refreshing, and simple beverages you can make right in your own kitchen? Herbal drinks are an excellent way to enjoy bold, distinct flavors using everyday ingredients like fresh leaves, warm spices, and fruit peels. Today we are exploring a variety of simple options you can enjoy any time of day. We will cover everything from traditional Caribbean herbal infusions to bright, soothing fruit and spice combinations. Unlike traditional black or green teas, true herbal drinks do not rely on leaves from the tea plant. This means they are naturally caffeine-free, making them perfect for any time of day or night. These beverages are created by steeping or boiling plant-based ingredients, including leaves, bark, roots, seeds, or dried fruit peels, allowing the natural flavor profiles to fully develop in the water. Caribbean culinary tradition is rich with herbal drinks, utilizing local plants and time-tested methods passed down through generations. These drinks are straightforward, distinct, and rely entirely on natural elements. First is Cerasee tea. Made by boiling the leaves and vines of the Cerasee plant, this traditional drink is known for its intensely sharp, bitter flavor profile. It is traditionally served warm. Next is bay leaf tea. Prepared by simmering whole bay leaves in boiling water, it offers a mild, deeply aromatic and earthy flavor that is highly comforting. Then we have Soursop tea. This clean, light drink is made by boiling the leaves of the soursop tree and letting them steep thoroughly before serving. Finally, Jamaican ginger tea. This is a popular favorite made by boiling crushed fresh ginger root. It delivers a sharp, spicy kick that can be enjoyed as is or balanced with a touch of citrus or sweetness. If you prefer flavors that are slightly sweeter, tangier, or intensely warm, there are several versatile infusions you can easily prepare. Cranberry tea offers a vibrant, tangy taste. It is highly adaptable, meaning you can enjoy it piping hot in the morning or chilled over ice as a midday refresher. Orange peel tea utilizes fresh or dried orange peels. Simmering the peels releases essential oils that create a bright, citrus-forward beverage with a wonderful aroma. Cinnamon tea is made by simmering whole cinnamon sticks in water. It is naturally sweet, highly aromatic, and provides a deeply warming sensation, making it perfect for cold afternoons. For a clean, crisp profile that works beautifully at any hour, lemongrass is a classic choice. Often referred to as fever grass in various regions, it delivers a distinctly light, citrusy flavor and an incredibly refreshing aroma. To prepare it, simply bruise the fresh or dried stalks to release the oils, boil them for a few minutes and serve. It is equally delicious served hot or kept in the refrigerator for a cold drink later. To get the best results when making these drinks at home, keep these simple brewing tips in mind. First, always use high-quality fresh or dried ingredients to ensure the cleanest flavor. Second, control your steeping time. Boiling roots and barks longer results in stronger taste, while delicate leaves usually need less time. Third, keep sweeteners minimal. Allowing the natural flavors of the herbs, spices, or fruits to stand out gives you the truest experience. Lastly, do not hesitate to experiment with temperature. Almost every drink we covered can transition from a comforting hot beverage to a cooling iced drink. Making herbal drinks at home is a practical and satisfying way to enjoy diverse flavors without a complicated process. Whether you prefer bold and bitter, warm and spicy, or light and fruity, there's an option for every preference. For the complete breakdown of these preparations and ingredient ideas, visit the full article on classicbakes.com. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practical kitchen guidance. Thank you for watching and happy brewing!